How to perform a system restore for your operating system. Imagine your computer suddenly starts acting up after installing a new program or update. You might feel stuck, unsure how to fix it without losing your files. Well, a system restore can help you go back to a time when everything was working smoothly. It's like hitting a rewind button for your computer's settings and system files. This process is especially handy when your system crashes or behaves strangely, but your personal files like documents and photos stay untouched. For Windows operating systems, starting a system restore is pretty straightforward. First, you need to access the Restore feature. If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, click on the Start menu and type Create a Restore Point. When it appears, select it. If your computer isn't starting normally, you can boot into safe mode or the Windows recovery environment. To do that, turn on your computer and press the power button to turn it off as soon as Windows starts loading. Repeat this a few times until the recovery options appear. Then, go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and select System Restore. Once you're in the System Restore window, click Next to see a list of available restore points. These are saved snapshots of your system taken at different times. If you see a restore point from before your issues began, select it. If you don't see the one you want, check the box that says Show More Restore Points to see additional options. You can also scan to see which programs and drivers will be affected by the restore. This helps you decide if you want to proceed. After choosing the right restore point, click Next and then Finish. Confirm your choice and the system will start restoring. Your computer will restart automatically during this process. It might take a few minutes, so be patient. When it's done, your system should be back to the previous state, and most issues should be resolved. Remember, personal files like documents and photos won't be affected. In Windows, System Restore is a built-in feature that helps fix problems caused by recent changes. It's created automatically during updates or software installations, but you can also make manual restore points. You need administrator privileges to perform this, and it's best used for fixing system errors rather than severe damage. If your system won't boot normally, accessing Restore through Safe Mode or Recovery options is your best bet. Now, how about other operating systems? macOS uses Time Machine for backups and recovery, which creates full backups of your system and data. You can restore the entire system or individual files from these backups. Linux doesn't have a built-in restore feature like Windows but relies on tools like Timeshift. Timeshift creates snapshots of your system files and settings, allowing you to revert to a previous state if something goes wrong. Remember, performing a system restore is a handy way to fix system instability caused by recent changes. It's not a replacement for full backups or reinstalling your operating system if your system is severely damaged. Always create restore points before making big changes, and keep in mind that restoring can remove recently installed applications or drivers that caused issues. If your system can't start normally, using recovery environments to access restore options is vital. So, whether you're on Windows, macOS, or Linux, knowing how to restore your system can save you a lot of trouble. It's a simple way to undo recent problems and get your computer back to a stable state without losing your personal data.